In this video, I share with you the best video settings for YouTube if you are exporting the edited video from Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm also using the same settings for my videos. Follow this step-by-step tutorial so you never forget in your life. Let's start now. This is the Export tab in Premiere Pro. First, give the file name, then select the location where you want to save this file. Now select the video section. Here, select the match source if you have the right sequence, or untick these and change the frame rate and frame size. Make sure the frame size is correct. Now click on more here and select the use maximum render quality. Scroll down and go to the encoding settings. These are the settings that directly affect the video exporting time. You will get the performance in two modes, hardware encoding and second one is software encoding. Some systems don't support hardware encoding due to no external graphic card. If in case you have a graphic card on your system or laptop, then I highly recommend you choose the hardware encoding to minimize the exporting time. Now untick profile and level. Choose the profile to high and level to 4.2. And also guys, one more thing, these are the settings for 1080p video, not for 4K. Now scroll down and go to bitrate settings. If you are doing software encoding, you will get VBR2 pass option. In hardware encoding, you get only one VBR pass or constant bitrate aka CBR. If you have enough time, I highly recommend you in software encoding choose the VBR2 pass. It gives more quality when compared to the VBR1 pass. It's not like major differences you notice, but very subtle differences you notice. Now change the target bitrate and maximum bitrate. On the internet, YouTube recommends these bitrate settings for different video formats. Do note that these are the recommended settings, not the exact settings. If you go less than these values, it's not good according to YouTube. So choose the values the same or above these values based on your video shooting capacity and the space you have. For this video, I've chosen the VBR2 pass for software encoding and the targeted bitrate is set to 25 and the maximum bitrate to double the targeted bitrate. Here it is 50. Now scroll down to the last and choose the general tab. Select the use preview only if you rendered the video footage already while editing the project. If you enable this option, you see faster exporting times. And finally, click on export. So these are the video exporting settings for full HD or 1080p YouTube video that I choose while exporting the video from Adobe Premiere Pro.
Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to the side of it to get instant notifications from this channel.